I think one of the most valuable things for me in fly fishing is a good fishing buddy. As a fly shop owner and guide, I fish with a lot of people, but there's something really special about a few of my friends. Having someone along to share in the adventure and confirm your lies. This is my friend Jeff. He gets this Jack Nicholson look in his eyes whenever he gets hyped on a fish. It's awesome. We used to fish together a lot, but recently he moved out of our cold water fishery for a better paycheck and the warm water fish of northern Minnesota. If you ask him about it, he says he's doing fine, but deep down, I know he misses fishing for trout. This spring he had some time off of work, so I invited him to the UP to chase some sipping browns. I didn't have to ask twice, that's for sure.
Nice fish.
You getting this video?
Yeah, I'm getting this video.
This is ridiculous.
What do you think this is? Give me the Jeff Wiggin Petty's look. Give me the look. Come on.
This is unbelievable. There's the sound of the UP.
Somebody's fishing. It doesn't take epic fishing to have a good day. It definitely helps, but with the right people, every day's a good day. For the next few days, we picked up some decent fish, but right when we thought he'd be heading out, the fishing turned on. That's when he told my wife and I that he'd be staying for another 5 days. That's how you know you've got a good friend, right?
That's a nice brook trout.
So we've been fishing for a few days, and just like anybody else, after a few days of really good fishing, we started getting picky. Jeff wants something over 20. We hiked out early in the afternoon. We kind of picked our spot. By this time, we knew where the rising fish would be. We were there, the bugs were there, the fish were there, everything was right. The only problem? Jeff's head was not in the game. I have no idea what was going on. He was just off. It seemed like everything he did while he was out that night failed. And I don't know what it is. Like you fish, and just sometimes it doesn't happen. This guy's one of the best fishermen I know, and it really sucked to see him struggle all night long. Getting denied cast after cast. It was really, really hard to watch.
Snapped him off. Snapped him off.
I got your line right here.
Snapped him off.
This isn't a place for rookies, buddy. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have said that.
There's where your fly was supposed to be.
This is 3X. Feel horrible. Feel like I horsed that thing. I got way too excited. It's not how I should. I hooked a lot of big fish. I don't know what I did. I got way too excited.
I guess that's just the way that it goes sometimes. But at least he had somebody there to witness it, right? Oh, this hurts. This hurts. Ugh. There's always tomorrow. All right, so it's the last day, last night here. Grand hurrah. Jeff's head's in the game. We crushed it. Check this out.
It's unbelievable. It's an unbelievable night. Unbelievable night. Unbelievable fish. Just so jacked to be up here with my buddy Seth. We get another one?